Over the last few weeks, I've received a lot of questions in regards to what's going on with DACA. I'm here to answer some of them. If you have never had DACA, you are not eligible to apply. However, if you currently have DACA, you're eligible to do so by the renewal process. There's one caveat. If your DACA expired on or before September 5th of 2016, you may not apply through the renewal process. However, you can reapply by filing an initial application. If at any point your DACA was terminated, you may not refile through the renewal process. You have to do a new initial DACA request. As far as traveling, if you've not been granted advance parole, you may not travel outside of the U.S. Currently, USCIS is not granting any advance parole requests. This means that if at some point you traveled outside of the U.S. after 2007 without advance parole, you are not eligible to renew your DACA. And be very careful because USCIS conducts a thorough background check for every application. USCIS has established that any renewal of DACA or filing of the initial application, if eligible, should be done between 150 to 120 days before your DACA expires. Doing the renewal of application any time before the 150 day can create complications and USCIS can easily reject your application. One of the most important questions I've received over the last few weeks is, if USCIS denies your DACA application, will you be immediately placed in removal proceedings? It depends. USCIS has established that they would look at the totality of the circumstances, and unless you've committed fraud, a serious crime, a felony, or you pose a threat to public safety, then they will not refer your case to ICE. However, if DHS finds that there are exceptional circumstances, they may refer your case, and then you may be placed in removal proceedings. Lastly, if you know anybody that's currently in removal proceedings or under a detainer, have them talk to an experienced immigration attorney because they too may be eligible to file for renewal of DACA. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us or leave your comments below.